This is Brandon from Seeing Second Podcast. Some of you have heard about the political reporter named Josh Barro. A week or two ago said things like you shouldn't be grilling on a barbecue grill. Cooking is meant to be only in a kitchen. You get dirt on your food. There might be some charcoal on your food. Things that a guy would say when he sucks at grilling for $400, Alex. So today we are grilling something that could have been made in the kitchen. We're making it out on a grill. What kind of a person, no good, soft, mamby-pamby priss, can't handle just a little bit of charcoal on your food? It builds character. It toughens you up a little bit. And that's what we're doing here today. So today we're going to have a real easy meal that even Josh Barro could make. And if he is so inclined, he could put it on some aluminum foil. Or if he's worried about his grill being dirty, wash your grill. I'm assuming you wash your plates. I'm assuming you wash the top of your oven. Come on, man. Get a clue. Get a clue. So what we're making today is Moink balls. You like math? All right, there's three kinds of people in this world. Those that are good at math and those that are not. And today I have the simple formula, I guess. Moo plus oink equals moink. We're making moink balls today, ladies and gentlemen. We're going simple and easy. We have these already frozen kind of meatballs. We have pre-cooked bacon. Now, because I am doing this on a grill, and it's sometimes a little bit harder to get bacon as crispy as what you would like. This is the fully cooked kind, and it's a little bit thinner than the regular kind of bacon that I would prefer for like breakfast time. With this, you can just take it and you wrap it around the meatball, and it's going to get crispy and it's going to be good, and it's not going to be undercooked because it's already fully cooked. If you remember back in the day, we talked about Memphis dust, all right? And this is the Memphis dust. I put a link to it. I'll link to it again on the bottom of this page. It's found at AmazingRibs.com. Swiss Army knife of all seasonings. 'Tis the seasoning for Memphis dust. So here we are. These are the meatballs. This is the Memphis dust. Sometimes when I'm grilling, I like to have myself a little Dr. Pepper. I'm going to season these meatballs with the Memphis dust. I sprinkle my meatballs with some Memphis dust. After the seasoning, take a little bit of the bacon, aka the oink, and carefully wrap it around the meatball, also known as the moo. Precisely pressing a toothpick through them until you have something like yay. Looks like we're all wrapped up here, and we're gonna put these out on the grill, probably at like 300 degrees for maybe a half hour or so. All right, the grill is close to target temp. I threw some wood chips in there to, as you can see, it's smoking a little bit now, just to get a little more smoke onto this. I'm gonna put these on and let them sit on there until either they look done or about a half hour. I'll check them. So these are pretty much about ready. So use any kind of barbecue sauce you want, a little brush, and I'm just gonna carefully kind of brush this over the top of these meatballs, give them a little coating, and then I'm gonna let them set just for a little bit longer. The Moink balls are done. The sauce is tightened. Last thing, sometimes I will add just a little bit of pepper. So I'm gonna Just sprinkle a little of that along the top. There's our Moink balls, ready for game day. And when it's over, listen into that Sing Second College Football podcast with Kyle, Danny, Andy, and myself. Give these things a try. Sound off in the comments below and let me know what you think or what you use to make them better. Thanks for watching. Make some Moink balls first and sing second. Bye.